Ever feel like you eat clean, but still look 5 months pregnant by 3 p.m.? Yeah, I've been there. This 3-day meal plan helped me reset, deflate, and feel lighter fast. I used to think bloating was normal until I realized it was a sign my gut was screaming for help. So I created a 3-day anti-bloat plan using real foods, healing herbs, and simple routines. Results in 72 hours or less. Day 1 is all about soothing the digestive system and lowering inflammation. What to eat? For breakfast, have a green smoothie with spinach, cucumber, ginger, chia, and lemon. For lunch, enjoy steamed zucchini, quinoa, and grilled turkey. Dinner is bone broth soup with carrots, squash, and herbs. And sip fennel and peppermint tea all day. Pro tip, skip raw veggies today. Go soft and warm to reduce gas. Day 2 is time to support your gut microbiome. Think fermented fiber and fluids. What to eat? Start your morning with coconut yogurt, flaxseed, cinnamon, and blueberries. For lunch, have a big salad with arugula, avocado, grilled salmon, and sauerkraut. Dinner is lentil stew with garlic and turmeric. Drink lemon water and my FitNfab Daily Gut Elixir. Gut Elixir, available now at FitNfabShop.com. Day 3 is your depuff day. Keep it simple, warming, and hydrating. What to eat? Begin with warm apple cinnamon chia porridge for breakfast. For lunch, steamed greens, sweet potato, and lean protein. Dinner is a light veggie broth with herbs and an optional boiled egg. Drink dandelion and nettle tea for gentle detox magic. Quick add-on. Walk 10 minutes after each meal to reduce gas and improve digestion. Add these daily de-bloat rituals. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar before lunch. Deep breathing before meals. No snacking between meals. Yep, let your gut rest. Stop eating 2 hours before bed. Download my 3-day anti-bloat plan free at FitNfabShop.com. This plan helps you feel better fast and sets the stage for deeper healing. I've helped hundreds reset their digestion with this exact method. Bloat-free starts here. Get your free guide at FitNfabShop.com. Subscribe if you're done with the bloat struggle and ready for real, natural solutions. And drop a heart in the comments if you're starting the plan. Subscribe, like, and get your free guide at FitNfabShop.com.